All right, welcome. New video, new day. I actually noticed that they changed the UI, so we need to fix this before we are running onto the Instagram. And I actually did a couple of changes, then I reverted them back because obviously I wanted to record everything. All right, good. So since I do not remember what we did, I'm just going to plain start it. And here we have one problem, and the problem is Unicodeescape codec cannot decode bytes in position 2 and 3, malformed. Now, this is what we have been talking with Latin Bomba, I believe. So we already fixed this problem. If you have this problem and it says, okay, cannot decode these bytes in the Chrome path, come here and just type R. Simple and easy as that. And then I'm going to run the user interface yet again. Good. Now, we are decoding the bytes. I'm going to place this on the right side as usual, right on my data, and type connect. Good. So as you can see, clicking on connect resulted in some problems. And the problem is the following. I'm going to remove this user interface. And we're going to see what is the problem. Now, I'm searching for it actually. And now I know what the problem is, but I want to find the message. All right. Chrome driver executable needs to be in path, please see. Okay, this is definitely not the problem. Let's go to the inner stack. And I believe it was somewhat of the version file not found. The system cannot find the file specified. Oh, gorgeous. All right, well, let's go to the file. All right, now I went to the system in my G drive, and here is the folder new driver Chrome, and obviously we don't have anything over there. So now we're going to go head on to Google and actually install yet again the Chrome driver. All right, we are in Chrome, and here you can actually, let me just do it like so. You can actually see that we have new releases. Now, currently, we were with 104, and Google did receive some major update of 105, and I couldn't press connect. That's why you see my new folder over here. That's called new driver Chrome. If you're following along from the beginning, you're going to notice that this is different. This folder here was not this in the beginning. I don't remember what it was, but you know. So I'm going to download just 106 probably. I don't know. I'm just going to go and grab some. Now I'm going to show in folder, and then I want to actually click on it, copy this Chrome drive, and replace it to your folder. So that's going to be new G drive. Then we're going to go to new Unity project. No, new. All right. Well, new driver Chrome. And just copy this over here. Continue, boom, boom. And now, let's see. Obviously, we cannot run the Instagram bot. We need to use the interface. So if I type connect, I am actually opening a browser now. All right, good. And we're going to Instagram. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Good. So currently, we do not have any data, right? And as you can see, this seems like a problem as well. We are not able to click on login with Facebook. Obviously, we need to change that as well. So I'm going to Control S and run again. Now I'm going to actually place my real data just so we can go and move on forward with the connect. Let's connect. Should be going to Instagram rather quickly. And here it should be, yeah, we are greeted with a problem. So, you know the drill. F12 here, boys and girls. Go to the button and copy it. Good. Now in our script, we're actually having the Instagram bots. These are going to be the things that you need to be doing in production. So that's called a hotfix. If we had an exe, obviously we were going to require to change the DOL and then make a new exe and place it to the customer, right? But here we can just go into the source codes and do whatever we want. So I'm going to be finding, wait, because I've lost it a little bit. Fault is getting bigger and bigger. Now, Instagram navigation, we're going to print the password. Was I printing the password? Oh, like, I was literally printing my password from the beginning. Wow. All right, that's pretty bad. That's pretty shit. Good. So we're going to go to, I believe it was, oh yeah, I changed the URL here as well. What was it? A cat. All right, I'm going to go and watch my old videos, and I want to see what Instagram URL I used here. So I'm just going to swap it like I did it before, and then we'll come back. Okay, we are in on my channel. Currently, subscribers are 320, so please consider hitting this button over here. Yes, it's right this one. Yeah, I'm going to appreciate it very, 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 very much. Thank you. Now, I did this in probably, I don't know, 2. Greetings, everyone. All right, greetings. And yes, I want to go to UI in depth. No, that's explaining the UI. No, I do not want that. 4. Let's build an Instagram Python global variables. This is still the UI. Let's go to 6 maybe. Let's test if we can open Google. I do like this one. Opening Google, blah, 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 blah. And actually, I want the Instagram navigation part. So I'm just going to go to... there we go. So it's /accounts. I'm going to write it over here. /accounts /login / I'm going to copy that and then place it. Good. We are back. And here we're just going to, do this. All right, that's going to be gorgeous. And now, again, I'm going to go to the bot user interface. Obviously not printing my password. I need to refix this, run, come back in here, and let's go. Connect. Good. So currently I expect, right, log into Instagram. As you can see, this is the old stuff. Are we gonna go? Yeah. All right. So let's just go up, down. Now, I didn't have the problems with this because obviously I was using a new URL, but with the old way, it's still going to work. It's not going to be a problem. Now, when we're in Instagram, in the latest video, and I believe this was part 8, I think. Part 8, you could have seen that we have these, I don't know what's happening. All right. We have the UI right over here. So it was something like this. I think it was some experimental stuff, and we had then, you know, I don't know, like search, explore button and stuff like that. Now, currently, what we need to do is we need to be aiming for this search. It's not going to be different. I believe it's actually the same. So I'm just going to close this, and I'm going to go to the Instagram bot part. This is the Instagram navigation. We already navigated to Instagram, and this is search by hashtag, which is going to be Instagram exploration button. Now, this thing is going to be obsolete, so I'm just going to remove it. And here, we're going to remove this as well. I don't need this. And I'm just going to leave with search and search bar by hashtag. So as you can see, this is my input here. I'm just going to be searching for the hashtag to use, which is, again, likes for likes, or like for likes, whatever the hashtag you want to use. And then I'm doing pretty much the same thing. So as you can see, no shenanigans here, pretty much the same thing. That's why I'm just going to rerun my program. And I believe that these are the only fixes that we need to do. Here is the UI, placing it on the right side and writing my credentials. So boom, there we go. I'm just gonna put it like this. I expect to work completely. If it does not, we're just gonna do some fixes on the input data and stuff like that. All right, good. Accounts login, allow cookies, login with Facebook, please. Then we're gonna go like this, just so you do not see my data. Because I'm a cybersecurity professional. Yeah, I'm a top G. Let's put it back up. And currently, we're not gonna be searching for exploration button. I'm just going to go to the input box, and I'm just gonna place my hashtag over there. So let's see if it's gonna work. Hashtag. It seemed like we had a problem, and the problem is, yeah, let's see. Didn't find it probably. So yeah, as you can see, input is not found. This is something that we need to be working on. So again, very easy. Just in order to find the input, F12 over here. And we're just going to click on the click on the big div, and then I'm just going to search for input. There we go. Boom. Copy, go expat, close it because I'm sure that I'm not going to need it now. 99% sure. And if I actually do this, as you can see, they are different. This one is longer. So I'm just going to, boom. There we go. They're the same now, search input, everything is still going to be the same. And again, we're just going to do the test. All right. And the credentials connect. I'm connecting very, very quickly, but doesn't matter. All right. Log with Facebook, drop down. As you can see, quite a lot of repetitive work. And I expect it to work currently. So you already have the liking bot part. What we need to do is to start adding comments, and a bit more difficult, slightly more difficult than the liking part. I mean, you got to this part, which is 9 or 10, I don't know. So you're going to get through it, you know. Everything is going to be easy with me by your side. Okay, so since the bot is working, I see again on my right screen that the bot went out, and Instagram did change these as well. So I guess I lost the bet. Good thing I didn't bet anything. So I want to press on this div just as I did before. I'm not entirely sure on which one. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure in which one, but I believe this. What am I pressing at? Let's go to Instagram bot and see. I am pressing on an input. I'm finding some stuff, blah, 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 blah. And then I'm searching this first Instagram hashtag photo. Okay, this is going to be a div. So it's going to be a normal div, which is probably, you know, this. I mean, stuff are happening with practice and with tests. Good. As you can see, this one is slightly a bit different. However, okay, I'm getting lost here. However, I do not like the fact that I have a div and then I have an A. Oh no, actually, as you can see, we have the same thing. Good. So this one is changed, was changed as well. So first Instagram hashtag photo should go. It should fuck off. Good. So I did place on that. Instagram next button and next button alternative. I imagine that they are the same. Like button and blah, blah, blah. I imagine they are the same. And I think that's it. Good. I'm actually ready to bet now. So if I lose the bet, next video is going to be on the Pascal Triangle JavaScript. And if I win the bet, next video is going to be on Instagram bot. Let's see. Everything should be working now. We should be heading again to Instagram. Obviously, we know this bot is working. But I want to see that I'm pressing on a div, skipping 9 times, and then I start liking this stuff. Go down. And let's log in. Okay. I do hate when Instagram changes its UI because it's bringing a lot of work for me and for you, obviously, because we all need to go and change our scripts. But however, it's looking better, and it's something that's part of evolution, right, of their software, as it's ours. Now, again, I actually blocked, and I don't like that. It's getting very, very annoying. So I'm going to choose this div. To be honest, I don't know what's the difference between green and blue, but I'm going to choose the blue one because it's very, 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 very annoying. So first Instagram hashtag photo, and I'm just going to come here like this, delete, place. I get the feeling that this thing over here might not work again. But as you know, we should be changing, testing it, change and test, and then change and test again. Good. Enter credentials, and this time I'm not going to go through the process. I'm just going to skip it. So let's see if it's going to work. Okay, welcome back to reality. Let's see if it's going to work. I already signed up on Instagram. I was going to start a video after 20 seconds, but I didn't figure that it can be this low. All right, likes for likes. Come on. And hopefully we're going to click. Boom, there we go. There we go. Nice. So, as you can see, next button is working fairly decent, and I would assume the like button is working fairly decent as well. So this is going to be, I don't know, 7, 8, 9, and this is the 10th, and we start liking it. Boom, there we go. All right, bot is back on the track. It still works. And as you can see, that's why I say that it's an evergreen tutorial. If you have any changes like this, it's always, go update the Chrome driver, go update something else, go update something else. And by the way, now I'm going to let it run, obviously. But if you want to make it a bit more, now you know actually the meaning of sustainability. We want to sustain our software because one change in Instagram is actually breaking our software. Usually, these things are called hotfixes in production. But in order to make it a bit more maintainable and sustainable, what you can do is, instead of these, copying these, right? Because that's the first time I did it something very quick, just as a proof of concept. And instead of Instagram next button here, I just copy this, right? So always put them up as a variable. It's going to make your life easier, as you can see, because it's 16 minutes in, I know. But in reality, I fixed the problem for around 4 minutes. I need to record it. Then I need to explain it. I need to go through the way. Usually, the fixing part is rather easy when we have stuff like these. That's why I did the variables over here. This was your first hotfix, so to say. So congratulations. This is what you're going to be doing for the rest of your life if you're a programmer, fixing stuff in production, right? Because in production, we hit a problem, then a bug is opened, you fix the bug, and then you push the DOL. And yeah, the circle. Good. So this was, again, we were actually fixing quite important problems, and yeah, I'm really happy so far. As you can see, bot is working fairly decent. Actually, it's working great. It's a top G bot, so it should be working as it's supposed to. Right. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you guys later.